Hello, Jessica Frost-Ballas here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm sharing a quick and easy way to create an ink-blended sunset and die-cut card with a new Perfect Day release, so let's get started. First, I die-cut the new Ocean Circlescape from Distress Heavy Stock cardstock. I also die-cut the two bottom layers from Gold Metallic and Glitter cardstock. Then I blend Distress Oxide inks over the Ocean Circlescape to create my sunset scene. I place the die-cut pieces on temporary adhesive so it's a little easier to hold them in place for ink blending. I use Squeezed Lemonade and Ripe Persimmon for the sun, and Abandoned Coral, Picked Raspberry, Wilted Violet, and Villainous Potion for the sky. Next, I blend Chip Sapphire, Prize Ribbon, and Uncharted Mariner onto each wave layer. After they dry, I die-cut a circle from the Circlescape shaker frames, a little smaller than the Circlescape, and apply adhesive over it. Then I adhere each layer of the Circlescape over the circle. This just ensures that everything is lined up correctly with no gaps. Then I die-cut a circle frame from Gold Glitter cardstock that will fit around the Ocean Circlescape. I also die-cut the Waves Pierced A2 cover plate die from black cardstock. I use liquid glue to adhere the circle frame to the Waves panel. Then I apply adhesive inside the circle and paper piece in my sunset. Next, I die-cut a palm tree from the Shoreline Scene Builder set with black cardstock and adhere it to my beach. Finally, I stamp a sentiment from Seize the Day on black cardstock and heat emboss it with gold embossing powder before die cutting it with the coordinating die. I adhere that with foam mounting tape to finish the card. And that's it! You can find more information on the products I used in the YouTube description below or over on my blog. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you do subscribe, make sure you click the bell so you're notified the next time I post. Here are a few more videos you might be interested in, and until next time, have an amazing day and happy crafting. Bye!